What's happened exactly here for SMCI? Of course, if you know, yesterday we've got the earnings, which was not that expected. We have a huge pullback after that. The short seller used this moment to short SMCI exactly around the 37, the resistance that we discussed last week. So in today's video, we have to discuss, are we going to have a reversal? Is this the right time to buy the dip for discount price for SMCI? Because we already have a bit of reversal at the moment here near the $26. And of course, we have to discuss the SPY because the SPY is pulling back because we already tested a resistance around the 555. So SMCI is not just the earnings that made the SMCI go down, but the whole market is pulling back. We got Tesla is pulling back 5%. We got Palantir. We got all the crypto stocks, Bitcoin. So it's not just the earnings that made SMCI go down, but the whole market is correcting. So we have to discuss what that means in today's video and where the price will reverse. Let's get right to it. Hit the like button and subscribe. Of course, because we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market opens. So join us. If you're new here, guys, we always discuss SMCI and many stocks every day before the market opens to discuss the entry for them. Today, we have WW, which did really great job for jumping. We got ULY, which jumped really good on light volume and hit our profit taken around the 17, which we already took profit at it over there, where our hunter already took their profit as well on this trade. And STSS, of course, Dexter took his profit before a pullback for this stock, because we suggest to exit for STSS before a pullback that happened right before we finish our live streaming, just right there around the 740. So if you want to know how to exit before the short seller entering, you can join us in the link comment section below for our Discords and Patreon community. So for now, what we should expect for SMCI, everybody. The price pulled back, as we said, after the earnings. And then the market pulled back again. Why? Let me just show you what's going on for this SPY. Then we're going to go back to SMCI to discuss what's going on. Look with me closely. First of all, we have this huge jump after the news of tariff. Second, we have the huge reversal after the news of pausing the tariff for 90 days. And then we have a bit of correction, not a sell-off, and another correction up. So now we are actually correcting down again because we've been jumping since almost 10 days from the 21st of April until now. So we have 10 days of green. Now we're pulling back. So this is normal. So if you see the market just today and you were sleeping for 9 days and wake up today and you tell me, oh, the market is red, we gonna is Armageddon, we have to go to sleep. No, this is not trading. Trading every day, we have something affect the market, go down a bit, but this is not meaning that the market is crashing down, because we got a lot of questions from you guys. Jesus, what's going on? Are we gonna have another push down, or what's happening? For now, we have a correction. What does mean correction? Is mean after the market is jumping up for many days, it's correcting down because some people taking profit and then going up once again. So how are we going to confirm that would be a great question to ask. First of all, for this buy, we need to hold here over the 531. I'm going to give you an example. Last time when we have a pushback down, we have double bottom here over the 508. We held and we continue to go up. Some people panic selling here and they didn't know that we are in correcting mode. Then we have a reversal, and again another fear, then we have another reversal. For now, we have the same reaction, fear, then we're gonna have another correction. So how we're gonna confirm that is by holding a new support higher from the 508 and holding over the 531 to confirm a jump toward the 570 and 590 to confirm again the market correcting in the right direction toward those levels just below the 600 for the SPY. And the level that we have to break is the 555. Now, if we go to the SMCI, the same is going back down, but this is not a correction, but a huge push back down of fear because the news of the earnings not is beating the estimate. That's why we have a huge pullback for SMCI, breaking to support, and now is currently over the 27, which we got a nice reaction from it, which is a correction up. But now for SMCI, it's still a bit weak. When we're going to confirm SMCI will go up higher is by breaking the 31. So guys, the 31 at the moment is the current resistance for SMCI. If we don't break it, yeah, we're going to continue to go down. If we broke it, the reversal will start happening and go toward the 32. So here, after the huge push back, I think today in the pre-market, let's see, I think tomorrow, yesterday after hours, we have a huge jump. We have a test yesterday, then the price test again today in the pre-market and went down. So we have two tests, one from yesterday after the earnings and today in the pre-market. So the short seller added the position again twice here on the 31, and now if we don't break the 31, is mean they added position and the third time to go further down toward the 27 and 26. For my opinion, would be the most important level to hold for SMCI the coming days. For now, if we broke the 31, would be the good reaction for SMCI to go toward the 32, 34, and 37. But how we gonna have this? This is depends on the SPY, guys, because if the SPY held, would be great over the 531 and the Bitcoin, because all the stocks follow the footsteps of Bitcoin right now. Even for Bitcoin, if it held over the 92, would be even great for SMCI to recorrect really fast, because if we broke for Bitcoin around the 92, yeah, we're gonna have a huge correction for Bitcoin toward the 86. And for the SPY as well. So for now, we're still not flushing down, especially for the SPY, especially for the other stocks, even for Tesla, Palantir. We're still holding a new support after the huge jump that we did lately. For SMCI, yes, we have the huge push back down because of the panic selling from the news of the earnings, but it's still not over because we're still holding the current support currently over the 27, which we have a big buyer right now with this green candle. So now just watch out for the 31.07, because breaking it will confirm that we have a big buyer over here, and this will give us the 32 and 34 for our correction. Usually this happen in few days, and if we have some news drop in coming days before the end of this week, we might have the correction by the end of this week and breaking from the 31. We're gonna keep you guys up to date on our Hunter channel here on YouTube. So hit the notification so you never miss any of my future update, and join us tomorrow on our live streaming where we're gonna discuss SMCI in depth, where the entry, when the exit, and what we should do after this huge pullback. So let me know in comment section below, guys, is this the bottom? Should we have a reversal from the 31 in this week or the next week? Let me know in comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.